Welcome to Key West, babe.
Oh, we need some Mardi Gras beads.
Yeah, right? Alright guys, so Louis just went to get part of the car. We just got here to the Tropical Inn, that's where we're staying. We are staying at the Tuckaway Suite. So I'm gonna walk in and give you guys a quick room tour while he's parking the truck. Let's go. Alright guys, let's head on in. Alright, so when you first walk in, you can see the whole room, which is super cool, and it's really nice and cool in here, which we're very thankful for because I've heard some places in Key West don't have air conditioning, so super pumped for that. So you can see a nice big bed here. We have a nice little armoire, got 2 side tables, a nice chair, some pretty cool mermaid art on the wall, a full-size mirror, and then in here is the bathroom. Nice little walk-in shower right here, which is pretty neat. And then, yeah, some nice art on the wall and a cute little sink area, which is nice. The toilet's right there. But I think the thing I'm most excited about is actually not the robes, but as we head over this way, we have our own private little patio. And yeah, nice little seating area, a nice little fan, and a 2-person like tub, which is pretty cool. And then we also have the fridge and microwave right here. Pretty cool. I'm digging that artwork. So hopefully we can figure out how to make the fan go faster because it is warm out here. So yeah, I'll get Lewis's reaction to the room as soon as we get back. Or I guess as soon as he gets back. All right, and then it looks like we have some options for breakfast. So apparently they are not doing a continental breakfast. They are doing more of these baskets, which is super cute. You need to pick your choice of all these things. Pretty neat. I am so excited for a big old cream cheese. I have been craving that. Oh, nice, they have biscottis too. Oh man, so many choices, so many choices. Hi, honey.
Hi.
Welcome home.
Yay!
Have you looked at the room yet?
No, but I see it now. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, I knew it was kind of cute and quaint when we walked through the main house.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is nice. We got our own little jacuzzi tub.
Mm-hmm. Nice big comfy bed.
Is it comfortable?
I'm gonna say yes.
It looks comfortable.
Nice and fluffy.
Yeah.
Check out the bathroom.
All right. Oh, that's fancy.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the tile and everything. Nice big fan.
Yep.
We need a fan like that.
We need a bit. We do. But look, we even have fluffy towels.
Ooh, got little fluffy towels.
Yeah.
All right.
Or not fluffy towels. What do you call these? These are robes.
Robes.
These are robes. These aren't towels.
Yes, nice robes.
Yeah.
Don't steal the robes.
No, never. But the check-in lady, Brandy, she was super cool.
Yes.
Super nice. Super
Very-
helpful.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Above and beyond. So
Yeah.
we're really appreciative to her and helping us get set here because I know you're trying to come in and relax, but it can be a little stressful to drive down, and especially we drive such a big truck getting
Yeah.
around these tiny little streets
That were not meant for Toyota
yeah,
Tundras.
So thanks you so much to her for directing me where to go with
Yeah.
that big truck, and
Yeah.
I do appreciate it. It made it a lot easier. I think we're just gonna park it and
Yeah.
probably leave it for the time that we're here. I don't
Yeah.
think we're really gonna need it.
And parking's what, like $20 a day?
$20 a day
Yeah.
over at the church, so
Yeah.
that's cool.
Yeah, tip for there. So, okay. Let's get a little unpacked, a little freshen up, and then maybe we will take a walk down to Wall Street.
Sounds good.
All right, cool.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, so Louis is acting like a fool back there, but we just left our room and we're going to head over to see check out the pool and the hot tub. Let's go. All right, guys, and here it is. Super cute.
This is nice.
Yeah, just relaxing.
Got a little waterfall.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty neat.
Have to kind of relax in.
Yeah.
We got a nice little courtyard here, though.
Mhm.
Beautiful. I love how tropical it is. We're in the tropics.
But
Are we south of the Tropic of Cancer?
I don't think so. But you know what the name of the...
Yeah, oh, the name, the Tropical Inn, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, makes sense. Oh, check out little pineapples.
Yeah, so that's the room up there, and then this is another room right here. And then there was one room that I wanted to book for us, but it actually has like its own plunge pool. But it was booked for the week we were going to be here. So next time we come, we'll stay there though.
Yeah.
Okay. And then there is the hot tub right there. And then one of the key things I did see is that a lot of the couples who come and stay here, they get their keys, unlocks, and drives. So how cute! All these people put their key on $19.99. How sweet! Aww. Aww. Tom and Bonnie locked in love forever. Key West. That's cute. Tom and Bonnie, if you're watching this, hope you guys are still going good. Oh, the lucky one, Jason and Christy. All right, that's cute. We're gonna have to come up with a pun and maybe find one.
There's got to be some places doing these engravings, right? Because a lot of these are like professional.
Yeah, professional. Yeah.
Probably like right next door.
Yeah. Yeah, so when we were getting checked in, she walked us over here to the honor bar, which is so cool. Apparently everything that they garner here goes to charity, so it's bad karma to cheat. So you just leave your donations in this little box right there. It's pretty cool. Awesome. And then, yeah, this is just for anybody. So there's all kinds of suggested donations right there. And everything goes to charity. Very cool. Alright guys, so that's where we checked in, and then this is the guest entrance, and our room is all the way back there and to the right. Lewis is being a little looky-loo. Going up the steps. Oh, are we allowed to go up there? Is it?
Yeah, it says for room one use only after 10 p.m., but it's before 10 p.m. I think we go out.
Okay, cool. Let's check it out. This is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so we just walked up the steps out the main balcony here, or actually we're on the only balcony here. And we have 2 chairs, 2 rockers, and a bench. And then there's Duval Street. How cool is this? Welcome to Key West, babe.
I feel like we need some Mardi Gras beads.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So, alright. Maybe we'll go find some things to do on Duval Street.
Yeah, let's go walk down Duval Street, maybe towards the southernmost point of the U.S.
Sure.
Southernmost point as we know.
Okay.
Not technically the
Not
southernmost.
technically, but pseudo.
But it's photo op. Let's go.
Alright. Hey guys, and this is where we are staying here in Key West. So we're actually doing a split stay. We're staying a few days here at the Tropical Inn, and then we'll show you on to our next hotel in a couple days.
Yeah, that's even going to be nicer than this one. I mean,
Yeah.
this is going to be hard to top, though. This is a very nice hotel.
I know.
The other one you said has an outdoor shower?
Yes.
Ooh.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, we're going to end the vlog here for today. Next vlog will take you down Duval Street, a little walk down there, show you the southernmost point in the continental U.S. So that's going to do it for us today, and we'll see you next weekend. Next vlog you'll see, we'll be walking down I'm having a struggle.